What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can organize and find photos in OneDrive. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Microsoft Accounts. You will see the first official website of Microsoft Accounts. Click on that website, and if you are new here, you just need to create a new Microsoft account with your email, password and other credentials. But if you already have an account, so simply sign in with that account and then you will be redirected to the home page of Microsoft Accounts. Now from here on the left side, click on this app launcher and then click on OneDrive. Now after clicking on the OneDrive, you will be welcomed to the dashboard of OneDrive. Now from here, if you are new to OneDrive, just simply click on create a free account and then create your account with your email, password, ID and other credentials. And if you already have a Microsoft OneDrive account, simply click on sign in and then you will be automatically signed in to OneDrive. And when you are logged in or signed in, you will be welcomed to the home page of OneDrive. Now from here on the left side, you can see this section of photos. Click on this photos option and then here you will see all your photos. So at the top, you can see the search photos bar. Simply click on this search bar once and then type in the name of your photo and then you can search the photo from here. And if you want to organize the photo, just select the photos by just simply clicking all the photos once, and then at the top you will see the option of create album. Click on that create new album and then it will show you all your recent albums and the option to create a new album. So you can put those photos on your recent albums, but if you want to create a new album, just click on that new album option and then you will be able to create a new album just by just naming that album and then just click on save or create album. Then your new album will be created. So this is how you can find and organize all your photos in OneDrive. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.